In this section we continue with the solidification result, but we have it here. We have finished first the floating. Now we continue with the solidification result. And if we go with the temperature, we can see different temperature when it's start to solid, from liquid to solid. We continue, and we can see also when it start to create from liquid to solid. We can see here we have it. It's in part last. It's in 4-pin and also in rib, and also here it can be some pore. But we drill, and here it's good every time when we create a mold. It's better to have it go out like one I want to show again. Yeah, you can see, and it should be bigger when it's go out shrinkage. And we have it here pore, but we cut it and we machine it, and we don't have a pore inside the part. And I can go change plan in top. Yes, and I can control a little. Stop. I want to see it close when it's close. Change a little speed. And we can see here. We have it out port, because in port we have a 1 millimeter, and also we have that for ejector-pin when we want to push out the piece. And here, yeah, it can be some pore because we have a lost shrinkage. And also when we compare with the SolidWorks thickness analysis, we know it because we have it can be pore here, because we can control if we don't have a Inspiria cost for simulation. Now we have a time for solidification, and we can when we have a floating and when we have a time, and we can have it one circle for one piece, and we can calculate how many pieces we have, for example, in 1 hour. And also we can have it in circle and checking temperature for mold. Micropore, we have it, yeah, micropore in some, because we don't machine it here in this area. And also if we have some micropore, it's not problem for this part. And also we can see also here we have some pore. When we compare, yeah, we have a pore here and pore. We can see also, yes. Pipe shrinkage, it's in top. When we have it pipe shrinkage, it's when we have it, it can be also here if we don't refill it, but it's better after fill. And when we start shrink it, it's when it starts to shrink, it's better after fill, because it's go if we have it close here, it's go shrink it, take from metal from here, and it's better after fill. Pore, We understand it's yeah, we have it in same place for like we said before. When we control also neoma, and we have it pura, yeah, we have it pura in same place. But we have different option to control in which place we have a pura. Mold temperature, and if we want to control the temperature in mold, and we can go in which section we want to have it. We can go here, click, and we can go in X, or we can move, only move, and we have it in which place we want to have. I want to stop here. If you want to have it a point for measure temperature, you need to take it away, that section, and you can click here, and you can yeah, make a point and control temperature in mold. And you can see, yeah, temperature in mold, how it's temperature for mold. We can increase, and we have it, yeah, we have a temperature in mold, a different temperature, yes. But if we go close, if we want to have it one more closer, for example here, you can see it's a higher temperature, like in another, and also here, for example. Yeah, but when it's come direct material here, and we have a closed with a filling system. And also I can tell you one tips when you cast it, because when you fill it with aluminium, we have a speed for fill it with aluminium, and when we have a speed, we have 0.6 meter per second, and you feel it when you're in that level, and you need to change the speed from 0.6 meter per second about go 0.3 meter per second, because when it start aluminium for liquid to solid, if you go slowly, it's like after fill, and you don't have a problem with a shrinkage. It helps a lot for shrinkage, and it's better also for pour. That is one trick when you cast it. Now it's because we have finished all floating and all solidification result, and now it's time to start to create a mold, and only we need some small adjustment, and we can create a mold